Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class, we discussed preposition part 1, 2 and 3. Now, today we discuss preposition last part, that is part 4. Okay, so everyone open your notebook and write down preposition part 4. Clear? So, we discussed in last class we discussed preposition of time, preposition of position. Now today we discuss preposition of movement and direction. Clear? So write down the heading preposition of movement and direction. Preposition of movement and direction also have so many prepositions. So many preposition of direction consist. Now first is preposition of direction. Preposition of direction consists towards, to, towards, to, towards, into, to, towards, into, at, of, against. These are preposition of direction. Okay, these are preposition of direction. To, towards, into, at, of, against. Now write down the uses of preposition of direction. First of all, use of to, to, to. Okay, so where we use to has the sense of destination towards the direction. Means this decides about the destination. This to decides about the destination, that where we have to reach. Clear? Towards the direction. Is that clear? Now write down the example. We went to the school. Means this decides about the destination. Clear? We went towards the school. We went towards the school. Clear? Means in the direction of the school. Clear? Now next is what? Next is into. Next is, first is to and next is into. Into denotes movement towards, movement towards the interior of something. Movement towards the interior of something. Movements towards the interior of something. Clear? Means this decides about the interiors of something. This decides about the inside portion of something. Clear? So, example write down. The dog jumped into the pond. The dog jumped into the pond. Clear? She quietly walked into the room. Clear? So this is about the into. This is the use of into. Next is at. Next is at. At means at has the idea of hitting something. Hitting. At has the idea of hitting. Okay. Example. She threw the stone at the dog. She threw the stone at the dog means hit कर रहा है, वो dog को hit कर रहा है, means something at we use for something hitting. Clear? So now another one is for. Use of for. F-O-R, for. What is the use of for? For where we use in case of movement or direction. For suggests the beginning of a movement. Beginning of a movement. For suggests the beginning of a movement. Clear? For suggests the beginning of a movement. The workers left for the factory. The workers left for the factory. Means the workers left for the factory means beginning of a movement. Okay. Now another example. The child leaves for the school. The child leaves for the school early in the morning. The child leaves for the school early in the morning. Early in the morning. Okay. So for suggests the beginning of movement. The workers left for the factory and the child leaves for the school early in the morning. Clear? So this is the use of for. Is that clear? Now another one. After 4 and 8. Against. Next is our against. Next is what? Next is against. Against shows pressure or contact. Against show pressure or contact. Against show pressure or contact. Clear? Like example, he threw the bag against the wall. Against the wall. He threw the bag against the wall. He threw the bag against the wall. Means for pressure or for contact we use against. Clear? So this is the preposition of direction. Okay. To, towards, into, at, of and against. For and against, not of. Okay. For and against. So these are the preposition of direction. Clear? Now another one is preposition of direction is completed. Now another one is what? Preposition of direction from. This is towards and now we discuss preposition of direction from. Preposition of direction from. In this what we consist? From, OFF of plus out of. Out of. From, OFF of and out of. Clear? Now first one is our from. First one is our from. From is used with the There are three kinds of preposition of direction: from, of, and out of. Now, where we use from? From is used with the point of departure. Point of departure. From is used with the point of departure. Okay. Example: she has already gone from the office. She has already gone from the office. She has already gone from the office. वो ऑफिस से already जा चुका. Clear? Next is what? OFF off. OFF off shows the separation. Remember, OFF off shows separation. ये क्या शो करता है? किसी भी चीज को एक दूसरे से अलग करना. This shows the separation. Clear? What this shows? This shows the separation. It is used in the sense of from the surface of and down from. Means sense of from the surface of and down from. Clear? Next example, write down. He fell off the horse. Means horse से अलग होकर गिर गया. Okay? Means this shows the separation. This OFF off shows the separation कि horse से अलग होकर वो गिर गया. Next, the ball rolled off the table. Rolled off the table. Clear? So this is the use of OFF off. Clear? Next is what? Out of. Next is out of. Next is our out of. Next is out of is the opposite of is the opposite of. Out of is the opposite of into. Out of किसका opposite है? Out of into का opposite है. It means from the interior of. It means from the interior of. It means from the interior of. Clear? It means from the interior of. Like the bird flew out of the cage. The bird flew out of the cage. Means किसी चीज के अंदर से भाग गई, उड़ गई. Okay? उड़ गई. The bird flew out of the cage. Clear? So these are the position of direction from. I think these all prepositions you all clear, you all understand. Now another one means these three parts completed. Now another one we discuss means that they are not included in parts but they have also separate rules. So write down some important prepositions. By, with. First is by and with. Use of by and with. Separate use of by and with means correct use of. So write down by is used to express the agent To express the agent or doer of an action or doer of an action or doer of an action with which relates to the relate to the instruments with relates to the instrument with relate to the instrument with which the action is doer with which the action is doer action is done, sorry. By is used to express the agent or doer of an action, means दिस इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द एजेंट को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए और डूअर को एक्सप्रेस मीन्स इनके एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए विद रिलेट टू द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विद विच द एक्शन इज डन, मीन्स जिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट से एक्शन किया गया है उसको रिलेट करता है बाय. क्लियर? सो राइट डाउन द एग्जाम्पल. The lawn was mown by the gardener. The lawn was mown by the gardener. The lawn was mown by the gardener. Mown by the gardener. किसके द्वारा किया गया है? With the help of gardener, with a mower, with the clear? By and use of with means with which relates to the instrument, sorry. By is used to express the agent or doer of an action, clear? And with relates to the instrument with which the action is done. Okay, so the lawn was mown by the gardener. किसके साथ किया गया? With the mower. So both come here. Next is second is after and in. After and in. Clear? After is used to denote. After is used to denote some period of time in past, some period of time in the past, and next is in is used to show, some period of time in the future, some period of time in the future. Clear? After is used to denote some period of time in the past, or in is used to show some period of time in the future. Clear? Both clear? Now example, write down. She came back home. She came back home after an hour. She came back home after an hour. She came back home after an hour. Clear? Next, use of in. Example of in, write down. We will come back home in an hour. We will come back home in an hour. We will come back home in an hour. So this is the use of after and in. This is the use of after and in. Clear? Next, write down. Last one. After that, your preposition topic is completed. Next is besides, beside and besides. Beside and besides. Beside and besides. Beside means by the side of. Beside means by the side of. Beside means by the side of, or besides means in addition to. Besides means in addition to. Clear? Beside means by the side of and besides means in addition to. Clear? Example write down. Example is, please put this bag beside the box. Means beside the box. Side of. Okay? Side. Beside means side. And another is besides. Difference is of S or ES only. Besides giving the books, besides giving the books, she gave me her notes. She gave me her notes. Besides giving the books, she gave me her notes means in addition to. So here your preposition chapter is almost completed. Almost means all completed. One more is left. On time or in time. This is also important. On time or in time. Write down. On time. Use of on time. At the arranged time. At the arranged time. At the arranged time, not before, not after. Not before or not after. Arranged time पे होगा. And in time, not late with a comfortable margin. Not late with a comfortable margin. Clear? This is the use of on time or in time. Example, example write down. We reached the station in time for the train. We reached in time for the train. And next example write down. The train started on time. The train started on time. Clear? So here your preposition chapter is completed. Now you all try to fill exercise. Is that clear? And remember one thing, your PT1 start from 21 December. So you all prepare for your following syllabus and try to give your best in exam. Okay? So all the best for exam and thank you and have a nice day. Your chapter is completed here. Now in the next class we discuss reader. We start our reader classes. Clear? So thank you and have a nice day again.